is a planet light years away from Earth named Oak. It is a planet where technology has made lives easy and exciting. Most people would think of this place to be found only in imagination, but in fact, it has existed all the time. This planet has some special animals, the wise masters of Oak. They made sure that the planet prospered. The masters built robots with emotions to safeguard Oak. They lived in harmony for years. One day, a deadly virus infected the robots, transforming them into something really monstrous. It led the planet to mass destruction. The masters were taken captive. The planet was taken over. But the masters had a backup plan. They programmed a safe hideout that a robot could not trace. To save Oak, wise Master Zog found a boy from Earth. His name is Theo. Theo is the chosen one who can save planet Oak. Let's be part of Theo's learning journey as he saves Oak with the wise masters.
You seem excited.
Of course.
He's just a kid and knows nothing about us.
You're still on about that? Have some faith in the prophecy.
Empty words.
I know we've little to go with, but
Like Zog said.
only time will tell what he's meant to do.
Yeah, till then.
We teach him to keep him busy.
Theo, meet Hyra and Zoe. Don't let their appearance fool you. They are quite good at what they do.
Hi, Theo.
Hey, Squirrel, what's up with you?
Don't worry. He'll come around, right?
Yeah? So, what's the plan?
We start by rescuing the masters.
But we don't know their locations yet.
So no guns and blazes?
It isn't some sci-fi movie.
Well, the devices you use say otherwise.
They do? I think they're pretty normal.
Normal? Now that makes me feel I'm not on Earth anymore.
Right now, you're not familiar with Oak, Theo.
Not exactly. I know your technology is far more advanced than Earth.
Then, why not start from here? Learn Oak's technology.
Does that mean I'll learn to make cool gadgets like Reliquium?
Gradually.
All right, where do we start?
From the beginning. So, you must have used WhatsApp.
Yes?
And YouTube.
Yes, of course.
And you surely would have spent hours gaming.
Man, Fortnite, Minecraft, play them all.
Well, ever thought how these things are made? What magic happens that you're able to see someone over a video call?
Or, how does your player jump over trains and subway surfers?
How are they made?
They're all creations of programming.
Programming? What's that?
Okay, what's your routine when you go to school?
Well, first, my alarm clock wakes me up. Then I get ready, eat my breakfast, walk to my school, study. After the classes, I go back home and crash out.
So basically, you follow some step-by-step instructions to go to school.
Yeah,
Likewise, programs are step-by-step instructions a computer follows to achieve its goals.
Like when you press the unlock button on your phone, it follows some set of instructions to unlock.
so programming is the reason.
Pretty much.
But how do we ask the computers to make these programs?
By talking to them. Okay, in what language are we talking?
English?
Yo, like we have our own language, computers have their own.
Which they understand based on logic.
Logic? Yep.
Computers understand just two numbers, 0 and 1.
We call them binary digits.
But how can I talk with just two numbers?
For now, understand it this way. Computers use a combination of zeros and ones to identify alphabets and numbers.
Like, it identifies the alphabet A as 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. B as plus 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0.
And so on.
Damn. Do I need to learn them all?
No, Theo. Computers remember it for you.
Say, you want to talk to a Japanese who doesn't speak English.
I need a translator who can translate what I say into Japanese.
And translates back into English, correct?
Likewise, computers also have a translator to convert alphabets and numbers into zeros and ones.
And we call this translator as an interpreter.
So when I talk to a computer, I don't have to bother myself talking in zeros and ones.
Yep, for now, think of it this way. You just give your instructions in a language closer to English.
We call this language as a high-level language.
Which is translated into the language the computer understands.
Whew, that's helpful.
And, like we have different languages to talk to each other,
Computers also have multiple languages.
like Python, Swift, Java.
Okay, so which language will I learn?
Python is the simplest one.
And being the closest language to English,
We can program in Python easily.
Perfect.
so Theo, ready to make your first program?
I'm nervous. This is my first time.
This is Python Shell, where you write programs.
Make sure to put hello in double quotes.
Let's press enter to see what it gives.
Wow. The computer says hello.
The print command asks Mr. Python to display what's inside the brackets.
I want to make one more program.
Let's do some math.
It's amazing.
It is.
But how do we make a reliquum using this?
Great things take time, Theo. Slowly, slowly.
I'm rooting for you.
It might be a drag, but I'll help you out.